Drop it.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ahmed and today I will show you my detail how to monetize your YouTube video just in a one click. So first of all, I have a little request to you to please subscribe my channel for more updates. And after that, go to YouTube your video. You see, I don't have any monetize in my video. No monetize. You see, yeah. So in the next step, go to here and settings.
And go to view additional feed. After the next step, you have a monitor and view montage setting. Yes, your code is unable and you have 30 additional to monetize. So in this step, I just click on monetize video and my all video will be monetized. So I click on monetize video and monetize. Yes sir. So just wait.
And friend, if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. I think I want to refresh my page because I have a non-net, so I refresh my page.
See your code is unable and you have 3 additional. Yeah friend, just wait a few seconds and my all video will be monetized. So I little request to you to please friends subscribe my channel and like my video. If you have any problem about this video, so please leave comment in the comment section. And if you have any problem, so if you have Facebook, so you please send me a message on my Facebook account and I will always respond to you. Yes friend, your addition. So I go to addition. Just loading.